Unlocking your top-step trading potential starts with mastering the tools, and today we're diving deep into how Tradingview can be your ultimate ally. First, ensure your Topstep account is linked to Tradingview for seamless integration, allowing you to place trades directly from your charts once you're funded. Choose your preferred time frame from 1-minute charts for scalping to daily charts for longer-term trends, to suit your trading style and Topstep's evaluation rules. Leverage Tradingview's extensive drawing tools to identify key support and resistance levels, draw trend lines, and apply Fibonacci retracements to map out potential entry and exit points for your Topstep trades. Add and customize technical indicators like moving averages, MACD, or Bollinger Bands to generate trading signals and confirm your analysis within the context of your Topstep targets. Keep a close eye on your Topstep dashboard to stay aware of your progress towards your profit target and to ensure you're respecting your daily and total loss limits, crucial for passing the evaluation. Simulate your trades directly on Tradingview using its strategy tester, allowing you to backtest your strategies and analyze their potential performance before risking real capital in your Topstep journey. Utilize Tradingview's Watchlist feature to keep track of the futures contracts offered by Topstep, monitor their price action, and quickly jump between different markets for analysis. Set up custom price alerts on your Tradingview charts for specific levels, ensuring you don't miss crucial market moves that align with your Topstep trading plan. By integrating Tradingview's powerful charting and analysis tools with your Topstep prop trading account, you gain a significant edge in navigating the markets and pursuing your funding goals.